Hello, Joaquin. It's Saturday morning, and I received your WhatsApp message about some updates on the PDF problem that we have been trying to resolve for the last 24 hours or so. The problem is not resolved. I thought I would make a video to show you where I'm experiencing the problem, and that might give you some more insight as to what's going on. Here I am inside Spark 2.0. You can see Module 1 is all the complete courseware documents have been uploaded. There's an introduction, and then there are 4 lessons, and then the 5th item is the quiz. You can see active links to view those particular courseware items. Let me pick one in particular that I want to talk about first. So if I view the PDF for lesson 1.1, it opens up as a PDF, and you can see the hyperlinks in this PDF are active. I am in another window. It opened up the PDF in my browser, and it's working just like I would expect it to. I click the link, the video pops open to YouTube and plays exactly the video that I would like it to. Let me pause that, come back. Okay, so hit the back button to go back to the PDF, and if I scroll through the document, let's see, I'm sure I have another hyperlink here. That too is active. Click it, opens up just like I expect. So far, so good. That's simply from the developer's viewpoint, looking at the courseware. I come back to Apptitude, and if I say, so let's focus on lesson 1.1. Let me preview the course. So I click Preview Course button. The wonderful menu on the right shows up. I get to choose what I want to see. I'm going to choose lesson 1.1. I click lesson 1.1, and I've waited as long as 30 seconds, and the PDF doesn't show. It did show when I first uploaded the PDF, and I don't understand why that might be different now versus before. So that's a problem to take note of. Let me try a different PDF while I am here to illustrate the main point. So I can open lesson 1.2. And I've complimented you and the team on adding the previous and the next buttons, which allow me to navigate through the pages of this PDF. By the way, having the information about the lesson at the top was an excellent idea. Thank you for including that. If I was smart, I would have kept the lesson. I would write that as goals and lesson objectives, so it's always in front of the student. So now I'm inside lesson 1.2. You can see that there's a hyperlink, but it doesn't do anything. I am moving the cursor over the top of what should be an active link, and nothing is there. This is in preview. I would expect that that link would work. Let me go to another page so that you can see that this is not an isolated anomaly. This is another hyperlink, and there's nothing there. This is the problem that I'm talking about. I've built PDF pages. I can look at them inside Apptitude. I can open them up. I can work on them on my computer, and the hyperlinks work. Now in preview, they don't work. The next step of testing would be, what does it look like for a student to come in to the course? But I still have problems logging into my account as a student, and I don't have a lot of time to try to resolve that. That's the end of this video with the 2 particular problems about PDFs that I wanted to bring to your attention. The first one is, why doesn't lesson 1.1 pop up when I choose to see it here in previewing the course? The same problem, I believe, occurs with lesson 1.3. Ah, good, 1.3 is there. Let's see if 1.4 shows. Super. 1.2, 1 is there. So for some quirky reason, 1.1 doesn't want to show. And I don't, user error is always a possibility. I'm open to that. So that's the PDF. And why don't the hyperlinks work inside the preview mode? If you tell me that I can sign in as a student and then see the hyperlinks, that means that they are functional for the student, which is ultimately a good thing. But it isn't helpful to me as a developer that I can't see that the hyperlinks are working in preview. It doesn't give me a lot of confidence that they're going to work from the student perspective. Thanks for your time. Good luck in trying to solve those problems.